In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redesign a Wix website. Step-by-step 2026 guide. A redesign is a great way to refresh your online presence, modernize your look, and make your content easier to understand. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can move from idea to published site with confidence. First, make sure you're working on the right website in your Wix account. If you manage more than one site, pause for a moment and pick the specific one that needs the update. Double check the site's thumbnail and homepage preview so you don't accidentally redesign the wrong project. Taking this second now prevents confusion later. Next, open the workspace where the magic happens. Click Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. This is your command center for structural and visual changes. Don't worry if you're not a designer. Wix is built to be approachable. You'll see your canvas in the middle with drag and drop controls and a set of tools that let you adjust pages, sections, and elements as you go. Now let's focus on the redesign itself. Start with what matters most to your goals or what feels the most outdated. Tackle your text first. Refresh headlines to match your current brand voice. Simplify long paragraphs and make calls to action clear and inviting. Aim for concise, scannable copy, and ensure your headings create a logical path through the page. Then, update your images. Replace old visuals with high-quality, relevant photos or graphics that support your message. Choose consistent styles and colors so your site feels cohesive. If you're using large images, consider lighter files for faster loading. While you're at it, add descriptive alt text to support accessibility. Move on to styling and details. Adjust fonts so headers stand out and body text is easy to read. Revisit your color palette for contrast and consistency across sections. Try new background images or textures where it makes sense. Subtle animations on banners or buttons can bring a modern feel, as long as they enhance, not distract. Keep spacing, alignment, and margins consistent so everything feels intentional. Think of the editor as a digital canvas. Experiment freely, and if something doesn't work, use the undo button to roll it back instantly. When you're happy with your changes, click Publish to make your new design live. Remember, redesigns are iterative. You can return anytime to tweak, update, and republish as your needs evolve. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.